Pumble is making waves as a free team chat app, but does it truly deliver? With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Today we're digging into what makes Pumble tick and whether it's worth your time. Pumble offers a clean and simple interface designed for team communication, allowing users to chat in real time, share files, and create channels for specific topics. It's geared towards teams of all sizes, from startups to larger enterprises, and aims to facilitate seamless collaboration. Right off the bat, the ease of use is noticeable. Setting up your workspace and inviting team members is straightforward. One standout feature is the unlimited message history, even on the free plan, which is pretty rare in this space. You also have the ability to integrate with tools like Google Drive, making file sharing a breeze. However, some areas feel a bit vague. For instance, details about security measures and data protection aren't as transparent as they could be, which might raise eyebrows for more privacy-conscious users. Overall, the user experience is solid, but it lacks some depth in terms of advanced features that seasoned users might look for. So, what are the pros and cons of Pumble? On the plus side, the unlimited message history and user-friendly design make it a fantastic choice for teams looking for something straightforward. The price point free for essential features is definitely appealing, especially for small teams or startups. On the downside, while it has some integrations, it lacks a few advanced features that other chat apps might offer, like video conferencing capabilities. Additionally, the absence of detailed information regarding security protocols could be a concern for organizations handling sensitive data. This may not suit larger teams or those needing more robust functionality. Ultimately, while Pumble shines for smaller groups seeking simplicity, larger organizations may want to explore alternatives with more comprehensive features. In conclusion, Pumble is a great option for teams looking for a free, easy-to-use chat app. If you're a small team or startup, it's definitely worth trying out. However, if you need advanced features or have serious security concerns, you might want to check out other options. Overall, it's a solid choice for casual collaboration.